Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep you homes and habited. May you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet crop top blouses designs. Starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. Is very helpful and useful for you guys, so I keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any videos related to fashion, visit my channel, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for you self. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video has a lovely design for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Will remember prayer and bye.